Hey, what's up, you guys, and welcome back to today's video. Oh, 1 second. Don't need the music in the background because, you know, don't need YouTube after me. So, today, me and Mike are working together. Say hi, Mike.
Hi.
So we started already because I forgot to pick up the camera. Yeah, I'm kind of bad at this. But today is a Fiero video. We're working on Gold Fiero. I mean, you guys already saw what we saw at Mike. But yeah, today we're working on the Gold Fiero. And also we're painting Mike's new bumper. We're just putting some clear coat on it because he likes the bare metal look. So this is going to be a new bumper on his Jeep, which is just way, I'm just see if I can zoom in so you guys can see it. Way over there. Way over there, that little purple thing through the trees. Yeah, so, and then Mike over here, well, I helped him a bit, you know, because Mike does all the work.
Hi.
We're replacing the calipers with bleed screws because we need to bleed the brakes on this. And we already had one brake, so we're going to try to heat this one out, and then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. You know I don't have one of those over here.
I have a blowtorch.
Oh, you brought it over?
I didn't bring it over, but I have one.
Oh, okay. So on this side, basically just doing the same thing, removing the caliper, and as you can see, we were trying to bleed the brakes, and it never broke the bleed screw. So yeah. Bye-bye. So we need to, you know, get these out. So then the car can actually, you know, move again, because there's a whole lot of air in the brake system. So we're doing that today. And yeah, that's about it. So, you guys just, you know, come on, hang out, and do what we should do. Hang out with us during quarantine. Hey guys, so I thought this was recording, but it wasn't. So we're trying to get, I don't know if I explained this before in the intro video, we're trying to get this bleeder screw out, which we heated a crap ton, and we got it out this much, as you can see. Because before it was all the way down, and that's from heating the crap out of it, moving it a bit, rocking it back and forth, so hopefully we're getting it out. The caliper is still super hot, that's why I'm holding it with a white grip. So hopefully we can get this the hell out.
I might have to heat it again.
But if you ever have to do bleeder screws in your car, please put never C's on the actual freaking thing. Because you know how much easier this would be to come out if they had it?
Yeah, you want to blowtorch? They can get a nice shot of me heating it. Bottle's not cold anymore. We'll find out when I tip it over. It turns into a fireball.
Yeah, we're probably gonna heat this up for a while, so we'll come back to you guys when we have the screw either out or snapped.
Yep. That's where it's gonna snap right there. I know it.
Well, guys, it snapped. Sucks. But, whatever. That's what happens when you work on the cars. Hopefully, drill it out, and I can find a new bleeder screws, and that's the end of it. Okay, so, good trick for you guys to know. If you ever want to catch all the shavings, when you're drilling something out, you dip it in a little bit of grease, and all the grease will be caught on the shavings. So we're going to finish drilling this one out. Ugh. So that was a fail. We're now gonna try because we don't have an extractor and we don't want to drive it to the store. So we're gonna try taking it down the street to the mechanic shop and see if they can get it out.
There we go.
So we're just gonna leave literally this on jack stands.
Yep.
So
that's the first time. On the left.
Nope.
Where'd that?
Alright, so, yep. We'll hopefully be back when these are out, and then hope we can put these back in the car. Oh, paint update. These are still looking good. And I'm going to go put another coat on them before we go. So, update time. Fiero is now back in the spot. We walked over to the shop, and the shop told us that we need to bring it to a machine shop. It was just a local shop down the street from here, and we're just trying to see if they had an extractor bit or anything to at least extract that. Because we can tap it, which is something we don't have an extractor bit, which now I learned go get an extractor bit. So that's gonna be on my next time I go to Harbor Freight or Home Depot or Lowe's. But update on Mike's bumper. We moved these pieces over here are done. I just put them over there for now. Mike doesn't really care how perfect the paint is because it's just clear coat on top. If anything, we'll just wet sand it and it'll look better again. But yeah. So I know all my painters out there. I know you're cringing, but I'm sorry. There's nothing I can do.
Yeah, it's a Jeep. It's not meant to be pretty.
So here is now this part of the bumper we're not painting. So I already put on one coat on one side of it. I have to keep rotating it for now. I'm rotating on the bottom one I didn't paint yet, so that it doesn't mess up. And then we're just gonna keep rotating it here, and then flip it and do that one last side. So yeah, this is it. We're now painting this piece now. Just quick update. And Fiero, still not ready to move yet.
It's Volkswagen spec. It's a Fast and Furious 1 Volkswagen spec. It has no brake calipers.
And then there's a Corolla just sitting there pretty. Corolla. Yeah, my parents' Camry. Now in the driveway. So, that's our update. Peace to you guys in a bit. Oof.
Sorry, Ann, this is gonna get loud.
Alright, I'll go in a second.
I'm sorry, man.
Hey, you good.
Okay, so I just need to flatten those two out and get the plate on there. And I should be set.
So, Mike, tell them what you're doing.
This side of the truck been an accident. Lost control. Sideswiped somebody.
Grammar?
What?
That was some horrible grammar.
Yes, I know. That was the point.
Well,
I smashed this part of the truck up real bad. You can't tell from over here. Down here you can.
he's been working on this for like over a year.
Since August. Since August.
Yeah, so basically almost a year. He's been working on trying to get this truck back on the road.
Yep. And I'm this close now. So right now I'm bending what's left of the driver's side frame rail back over to meet up with this bumper bracket. So I can put that freshly painted bumper on.
Don't worry, this bracket hasn't been painted yet because Mike still needs to use it for working on it.
Yeah.
Well, Mike's working on his Jeep. I'll give you guys a quick story. This is Mike's 1996 Jeep Grand Cherokee ZJ? ZJ. Chassis ZJ. It is in a cool purple. It is on some Centennials.
Huh?
What's his tires?
Centennial Dirt Commanders.
On some Centennial Dirt Commanders. As you can see, we did a lot of work trying to get this car to look as interesting as it does. This is all Mike's stickers. As you can see, he is a giant weeb. King of weeb. Zyman Saga, what up? By Metallic Squad. The inside of his truck right now. He's putting on the bumper, but it's also actually getting its transmission done tomorrow, so it's going to be gone for a week. So hopefully, because right now it doesn't really move. And then Mike's other car.
Oh, this one's not important. Guys, just ignore this one. This one totally doesn't have a ton of money in it, and it's still not done.
This is Mike's 1990 1968 Ford Mustang Coupe. And that's the motor for it. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, alright.
Just getting the brackets put back in place.
And that's our new branch well. But yeah, we're filming. We're trying to get to the YouTube thing. Oh, I'm putting the camera down. Hey guys, and it's now nice and dark now. Me and Mike are just on our usual nightly walk. He looks creepy.
Hi. How's it going?
Oh, Jesus Christ. So, today kind of was a fail, kind of good. We couldn't get the collars on the Fiero. Mike couldn't get the bumper on his car because of brackets. So, that's it. But, you know, that's how things goes with car people. You know, some things are good, some things are bad.
Yep.
But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Peace out and see you guys later.